Hello! Ako po si Daisy. So, my co-seniors, kumusta na po kayo? Gusto kong i-share sa inyo how to take care of ourselves properly at the age of 60 and up. Pasensya na sa ingay ng aso. So, ano ang mga essentials para mapalagaan natin ang ating sarili? Number 1, proper hydration. Dapat uminom tayo ng tubig, umaga, tanghali, gabi. Akala po kasi natin hindi tayo nade-dehydrate. Think natin we will not be dehydrated. Pero the truth is, as we age, nagkakaroon tayo, madali tayong ma-dehydrate. So, drink plenty of water na kaya mo. Kasi, pagka hindi ka uminom, magkakaroon ka ng chronic mild dehydration. But if adequate ang hydration mo, proper, gaganda ang iyong cognitive function, ma-avoid ang dementia, hindi ka magkakasakit sa bato, magre-regulate ang blood pressure mo, at maiiwasan ang urinary tract infection at dementia. So, number 2, ano ang kailangan pa? Morning sunlight. We need morning sunlight 10 to 15 minutes a day para magkaroon tayo ng good sleep quality, hormone production, vitamin D, a better sleep, and it strengthens our immune system. Number 3 is stay socially connected. Hindi ko naman sinabi magmarites tayo. Pero stay connected. Talk and talk. Talk to your apo, talk to your neighbors, talk to your friends, talk to video calls. It gives you necessary social connection. Right? It avoids isolation and chronic loneliness. And in doing so, when we continue talking and socializing, we maintain emotional bondness. And if you isolate yourself, you will have stress, loneliness, which will result in damaged cardiovascular system. And magkakaroon ka ng dementia. So, if you make daldal and daldal, maiiwasan ang dementia. And your brain function will improve if you will have meaningful